How to design a classic and vintage tourism poster in Canva. First, go to Elements and search for any place you want. For example, I am searching for Turkey. Then, go to Photos and choose an image. Adjust it as the background. Next, go to Edit Image and click on BG Remover to remove its background. After that, go to Elements and search for watercolors. Go to Photos and choose an image. Go to this option, choose yellow color and choose Photo. Adjust it as needed. Next, right-click, go to Layers, and send it backward. Adjust it as needed. And then go to Transparency to decrease its transparency if needed. Then, search for Clouds in Elements, choose an element, and adjust it at the bottom. Duplicate it and adjust it like that. Go to Text, click on Add a Heading, and type Turkey. After that, adjust its size. Then right-click, go to Layers, and send it backward. Next, go to Fonts, search for Rust, and choose the Rust font. Adjust your text accordingly to your design preferences like that. Go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file, add a new page, go to the Upload section, and upload our previous design. Adjust it on the whiteboard. Then, go to the border option, increase its weight, and change its color according to your design preferences. Next, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file. Add a new page, go to the Upload section, and upload our previous design. Now, go to Edit Image, and remove its background. Adjust it like that. Go to Shadows, and click on Drop. Adjust its settings as desired. Bingo! Our work is done. Here is our final design. If you like our design, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.